This American-made tree puller gets right down to the roots. The Easy Pull can handle any tree or brush up to 8 inches in diameter. This will pull the root ball for clean removal. The Easy Pull is equipped with a safety push bar to keep branches at bay. An open mounting plate gives the operator excellent visibility. Aggressive teeth prevent the jaw from slipping. Large gussets help support the jaw for strength. The Easy Pull is the perfect combination of quality, affordability, and functionality. With warranty and service long after the sale, call one of our specialists today. You'll be glad you did.